This is page 35, number 15 in 5th edition of Advanced Engineering Mathematics by Rayleigh. So this is what we are going to evaluate in terms of the linear derivative with this condition. So first we must construct this into standard form, which is dy over dx plus p of x y is equal to g of x. So x squared plus 1 dy over dx is equal to x cubed minus 2xy plus x. So multiply it by 1 over x squared plus 1, so we have dy over dx is equal to x cubed over x squared plus 1 minus 2xy over x squared plus 1 plus x. Then we transfer the y in other side, so dy over dx plus 2xy over x squared plus 1 is equal to, this is x cubed, equal to x cubed plus x over x squared plus 1. Then we have the standard form. So after getting the standard form, we must get also the integrating factor, which is e integral of p of x dx. So e integral of 2x over x squared plus 1 dx. So we have v is equal to, in order to evaluate this integration, we let u as x squared plus 1, so u is equal to x squared plus 1, so we have du is equal to 2x dx. So therefore we have e integral of 1 over u du, which is e ln of u, v is equal to x squared plus 1. So this is our integrating factor. Multiply this integrating factor to our equation. So we have our independent variable, then x squared plus 1 is equal to x cubed plus x over x squared plus 1. Then integrate this in terms of dx. So we have y is equal to 1 over x squared plus 1. Then we have x to the 4th. Now since we multiply this, so this will be cancelled out, because here x cubed plus x over x squared plus 1 multiplied by the integrating factor, then this will be cancelled, so this becomes x cubed plus x. So in integrating this, we have x to the 4th over 4 plus x squared over 2. Therefore we have y is equal to 1 over x squared plus 1 times x to the 4 over 4 plus x squared over 2 plus c. Then substitute the condition, which is y terms of x equal to 1, so we have 1 equal to 1/2 times 1/4 plus 1/2 plus c. So we have 2 is equal to 3 over 4 plus c. Therefore, c is equal to 5 over 4. Then let this value c, let this value substitute to our equation, to our formula. So we have y is equal to 1 over x squared plus 1 times x to the 4th over 4 plus x squared over 2 plus 5 over 4. So this is our final answer.